eBay battery. Do not buy. Look at this. Start taking it apart. I like that they used the fiberglass stuff and all that. It was pretty secure. And I'm like, oh look, they've added some foam on the inside. That's nice. Look how much foam on this side. Yeah. Yeah. So why this battery stopped working? They used steel plates. Leads. They rusted out this pack. Killed right here. It died right there. That's why it stopped working. So yeah. Needs new strips tape. Hold on. Let's see the bottom. Same thing. It's all corroded. So that's cool. Even though it's completely sealed, it's still got oxidation in there. Plus, I don't know what this is. All this foam on the side. Why? I don't know. But this is the seller here. And they claim 20,000 milliamp hours. I don't know if that's good or bad. But they got 4 in parallel. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 series. That ain't good. Look at this one. It's not even like on there straight. Well, it's not even on the battery correct. It's on the side. But anyway, this one's not even working. So, yeah. Even though they did some stuff that's nice, they still use hot glue, which I don't care about, but it's just, why use so much foam on the one side? It's a shame, because I only got 30 volts out of this. It's supposed to be 48. So yeah, that's why the pack was no good. Sucks.